Hey guys, welcome back to Wonderland. Today we are going to be doing a new borax slime recipe. This recipe does consider glue, but you can use like face mask or something. I'm not sure, but you will need for this. You will need your bowl. You will also need some glue. You will need your paint, and you'll need your activator. So this activator I've seen online, I've seen everywhere, like on YouTube, Pinterest, I've seen like some Instagram videos too. But this activator is Eric Lavender. So this is the Eric Lavender 6-in-1. I've tried this one and it works perfectly. And that's the activator. We are going to be using the activator Eric, as I said. And lastly, you will need an airtight container. So let's get started. So first, you are going to take your glue and pour as much as you want in. I'm not going to do much. Oh, and also you need some water too. If you want to make your slime like, I don't know. But I'm going to be using water, so yeah. You need some water too. And sorry if I didn't mention that, but so you got your water. Just want to pour a little bit in and mix all of the glue and water together. This looks really liquidy. It is actually pretty liquidy, but it's okay. And then you are going to take your paint. Yeah, you're going to take your paint and just squirt as much as you want in. I'm going to do that much because I want my slime really pink. So, yeah. And you can use like food coloring or something. Okay, this color is like so cool. And then you want to take your activator and spray in for 6 to 10 seconds. I'm going to do 10. Okay, it's not 10, but I kind of can't do it because it's like, I don't know, hard a little bit. And I'm going to mix it and it will start to form. You can't really tell. I'm just going to turn it like sideways. You can still see it, but it's easier for me. And I prefer doing this outside, but it's not a big problem for me. As you can see, when you start mixing it, it will turn into like this slimy consistency. It's so amazing. I mean, the fact that air freshener makes like slime, it's really cool, but I have a bigger one. This is not all going to fit in my container, but it's okay. And then if you add a lot and it gets chunky, just keep mixing. And as you can see, it will soak all of the air freshener and it will turn into the perfect slime. So it's really kind of like sticky and like jiggly and watery, but yeah. Then you wanna start kneading with your hands. But if it's pretty sticky, just add a tiny bit more of the airwick and mix that in. I will do this with a spatula. Mix it. And so there's like this dog barking. It's not my dog, but like the neighbor's dog. It's like so loud right now. So yeah. Sorry if you can't see like this slime. It's still really, I don't know. It's really clicky though. But this recipe is really amazing. This activator is really amazing. Now I'm gonna turn it up regularly. And basically that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, basically that's it. See you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you like it. So bye.